Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Sound effects for video editing can be sourced from various online platforms offering both free and paid options. Websites like FreeSound, SoundBible, and Zapsplat provide a wide range of sound effects suitable for different types of video projects. For more professional needs, platforms like Epidemic Sound and Artlist offer extensive libraries with licensing for commercial use. Always check the licensing agreement to ensure the sound effects are cleared for your intended use.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.